Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can display the drop down menu inside edit post section. I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on edit post. Inside edit post have a post status is a draft. This is a static data. If I want to display this post as a published, then I need to write the published, right? And I'm going to click to edit post. Then the post has been updated, right? But I want to display the drop down menu like this one. Inside drop down menu I want to display the post status like published or draft. So I'm going to teach you how you can do that. So first thing, you need to go on your code editor and open the file name like edit_post and leave that, right? Inside edit_post have a post status like this one. So first thing, you need to comment how and also comment how. So first I'm gonna write the select and assign the name post status, leave the ID, and inside the post select tag, you need to write option. Inside the option you need to write the first I'm gonna display the basic syntax of PHP and post status. This is a variable that will help you to display the post status. This variable available on Uppo. I'm going to show you this one. You need to use this one variable inside this one section, right? Once you do that, then you will be able to see the post status, right? But I'm gonna also assign the value. So value will be post status, right? And I think that should be displayed. Perfect. Set that. Now the next thing is, first I'm going to check that. Right. The value has been updated. The value received from the database. I'm going to show you. Right. What is the post name? Digital marketing. Digital marketing. Right. Post has been appeared inside my drop down menu, but I want to display the also draft. So first I need to use the class form control, right? So I'll look at that. Perfect. Now the next thing, we need to use if statement. First I write PHP, and now we need to use if, and we need to target the post status variable equal to published. Then I want to call echo and display the first time option close. Inside the option I need to use value will be draft, and inside the tag option tag you need to write the static data as a draft. This is a draft, and you can assign any name as you like, but this is a accurate value that will help you to display the data inside our drop down menu is a draft. Otherwise I want to display the option close, and our value will be published, and also I'm going to use value published in small fractal. So I think it should be display. First we need to check that it's working or not. Yes, as you can see, published and draft. I'm going to click on draft and click to edit post. The post has been updated. As you can see, draft. Right. I'm going to click to published, edit, post has been updated. Right. So this is a way you can use that to display the dynamically data inside drop-down menu. Right. I hope you are understood as well all about how you can do that. Now let's talk about the default option. Like if I do not change anything else inside our edit post, then I want to display the post status. So I think it should be work. So I'm going to click on edit post, and I'm going to click to edit post. As you can see, the post has been appeared post status. Let's check out it's appear note on the website. As you can see, the post has been removed from the site, but this is not good for us, so I'm gonna change that to display the default post is a draft, not status. Right, this is a draft, right? So refer that, edit post draft. Perfect. So leave that and click to published, edit. Perfect. Now let's talk about another option like this one, and also this one. This is an empty image. I want to assign the link inside this one image, and also I want to assign the link inside read post. As you can see, I'm going to click on that. This is the div link, as you can see, but I'm going to click on delete marketing. Then I'm able to see the post ID and also post. I need to also remove this button inside our post. So first thing, we need to remove the post, read more button inside a post section. So first thing, you need to go on your code editor and close this one tab, open the folder, and we need to go on index.php. This is the outside of the admin panel, right? Outside of the admin panel, you need to go on below, and I think here is read more. Yes, we need to remove that. No, first we need to go on this is the index. Yes, I think no, I need to go on post right there. Go to post.php and remove this one link. So save that and refresh the page. As you can see, the read more button has been removed from the post. I'm going to click on CMS and I'm going to click to JavaScript. The button has been removed from the post, right? Now the next thing, we need to assign the link inside our each button, like read more, and also read more, right? So we need to go on the post and go to this is the post. We need to go on yes, we need to open that and find out the link. First one is this one link, right? This is the image link, and this is a post, but we need to go on index.php right there. So here is the demo link. This is the read more, this is the demo link. So we need to assign simple this one. Copy the complete code with PHP code with ID and paste there. So let's check it now. I'm going to click on read more, right? And I go to next one, read more, right? So this is a working process to assign the links inside our read more option, right? Now the next thing is a link, right, inside our this one. So I need to try that. I will this post, and this is okay. So first I'm gonna use a href and close that, and we need to close this anchor tag after the closing image tag. Inside that we need to use simple this one. I will check out it's working or not. So first I'm gonna copy that and paste there, right? And I'm gonna click on this one image. As you can see, this is a link. I'm gonna click on this one link. As you can see, this is a particular post, and I go to next one. As you can see, the next one post and the last one post, right? I'm able to perform those operations using a title, using an image, using a read more button. I'm able to open the particular post with the help of read more, image, and also title, right? So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In previous lecture we had discussed all about how we can use post status as a draft or publish inside our drop down menu. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can display the CKEditor. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna click on edit. This is a normal text area, but I want to display the fully featured CKEditor inside our post content text area. So I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So first thing, you need to go on at Google, and you can also search the CKEditor inside the search bar and hit enter. Once you search the CKEditor, then you need to just a minute, I open also, just a minute, I'm gonna open my file, admin includes, and edit underscore post, right? Open this one file. I'll leave this one. So the first link has been appeared, CKEditor.com. You need to open that, and there are many options available to use that, but I'm going to use a very easily method that will help you to display the CKEditor on your application fast, right? So I'm gonna click to CKEditor 5. This is the latest version of CKEditor, and the previous version is CKEditor 4. Inside this version have a bunch of features. On the right side have a CKEditor, as you can see. So you can also check out the demo, but I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna check that. I'm gonna click demo, and this is a classic. So this is our CKEditor. So first I'm gonna select this one and click to bold. I'm gonna click to link that, and I'm gonna also assign bullets, numbers, and many other things. I also have a headings, right? So this is a CKEditor classic. So what I'm gonna do on here, I just go to documentation and click to quick start, and there are many other options available like installation. You can download the zip folder, and you can use the method like this one, and you need to include this one file, but this time I'm gonna use quick start. And then first thing, you need to copy this one link, right, and go to your code editor and find out the where just a minute, I'm gonna check out the, I'm gonna open footer. This is the header, but I'm gonna add that inside footer, right? So this is CKEditor JS file, right? Paste that, save that. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to copy this one code, this one without script code, and you need to go on the where.js folder, right click here, create a file, and write the file name CKEditor.js and paste there. Right, you need to include this one file also inside your footer. So I'm gonna check out CKEditor manual file. So I'm gonna copy this one, paste here, and then we need to just change this one name like CKEditor.js. Right? Now the next thing, you need to assign the ID. So first I'm gonna leave everything from there, and I go to CKEditor.js. Inside CKEditor.js, I have selected as an ID with the name of editor. So do you want to use that? You can do that. In my case, I go to my first, I'm going to check that where it is, text area, where it is, farm group, post content, and text area. Right, as you can see, this is the ID empty, but I will use this one ID like editor. Copy that and paste on there. Then you will be able to see the CKEditor has been appeared. Refresh that, and there we go, as you can see. So let's check out it's working or not. So I'm going to select that and click to bold, and also we need to select the status because the default is dropped. So I'm going to click to edit. Let's check it now, it's working or not. Oh, well, okay, the default, okay, I need to change that as a draft published. Right, so refresh that, digital marketing, as you can see the text has been appeared inside a post as a poll, but I want to change that also on display the heading 2, and also send a link OnlineITtuts.com. select that, and I select published. Okay, the default is I need to work on that, but this time I'll leave that published and refresh this post. As you can see, this is a link has been appeared, and also text is a bold, I mean H2 heading has been appeared inside our post. Right, now the next thing is, I'll leave that, and next thing is I want to update the post, then I want to display the message. Right, so I go to my code editor. First I change out the default values dropped, but I want to, I'll leave that this time because I will work on the post update. Right, so this is a update record, and inside the if statement have a header. It means after updating the record, then user will redirect with another page. So I need to comment out, and after this one I use paragraph tag. First I'm going to use echo and use paragraph clause. Now then I need to assign the class. First I need to use single quotation because I will use classes to assign the double quotation. So I'm going to use alert success, and post has been updated right there. Now save that, let's check it now. So I'm going to use published and digital marketing, and this is also digital marketing. So I'm going to click to edit post. As you can see, post has been updated right there. Now the next thing is I will assign the link inside there, and the user will click on that. Then the user will able to see the particular post on the website, right? Now the next thing we need to work on that. So I go to my code editor, and after this one I'm gonna use dot and use array close. Inside first I'm gonna use view post, right? First that, and let's check it now. Right, the link has been appeared. Inside this double quotation I'm gonna use dot backslash post.php, and we need to pass the parameter like PID and assign the value as like this one, not this one. I go to a post ID, this one. We need to assign the particular post ID that will help you to display, but I will use, just a minute, I'll use single quotation right there. So, and let's check it now, it's working or not. Unexpected error. Okay, the single quotation, okay. First I'm gonna check that. Post ID is basically okay, I will use single quotation, just a minute. So I think it should be work. It's not working because I have used, okay, I will use double quotation, and this is our class. So inside our class I'm gonna use single quotation, right? And I think it should be work this time, and I'm gonna check that. I'm gonna change to published and click on that. Why post ID 10, and this is a post ID 10, but why I can't see the post? This is the post.php. Okay, there's a problem. So, and let's check it now this time. There we go, guys. As you can see, this is a particular post has been appeared on my site. So I think I need to leave that because I will teach you another important things on later. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can use edit post feature inside our website. First I'm going to show you. I go to my website, and inside this site I'm going to open my post. Inside my post I can't see the edit now post, edit the post feature inside my site, but I want to add the feature like edit post. Anyone user click on that, then who will be able to perform the operation like edit the record. But I can edit the record with the help of I'm going to click on admin, and now go to the view all post, and now the final step you need to click on edit. This is long term, right? So inside this page I am able to perform the operation like edit the record, but I want to display the edit link inside my website. But before working on that, I'm going to show you one important thing. I have changed few things inside our this code. This code is available edit_post, and this code is represent the post status. In previous video we have clicked to update edit the post, and now I go to my view all post. The post is still available on published, but in previous time we have seen the post status is appeared inside the post status, and I can't see the post inside our website. So you need to fix that. So first thing, you need to assign the PHP code like this one and assign the post status variable. Use echo post status, and same variable you need to assign there. This variable available on Upwork. I'm going to show you here. This post, this variable, you need to assign this variable inside the value which available on the option, and also you need to open use same code inside closing and starting option code. Now you need to use same thing on there and use simple variable, this one, then it's working fine. Now let's talk about how we can edit the post. I want to display the edit link, but before displaying the edit link we need to check the user is logged in or not. If user is logged in, then who will be able to see edit the post link. So first thing, you need to go on your code editor, and now I'm going to open my includes and nav.php file, right? You need to open this one file. Inside this one file have a link, and now you need to also open the next one file is a login.php. First I save that and open that, save that and use this way, right? Open the nav.php which available outside of the admin folder, right? As you can see, this is outside of the admin folder. And you need to also open login.php page, right? So first thing is we need to check. What we need to check, I'm going to show you in just a minute. First we need to check, basically I go to login.php page. Inside login.php we have basically made the session with the name of a DB username and also DB user role. The session is a very important to check the user is logged in or not. This is a login page. You need to use any one method as you like DB user name or DB user role is active, then come into the if body. So I'm going to check the DB user role. First I'm going to copy that and use if set $_session, which session DB_user_role is active, then come into the if body. But before using that, we need to start the session on here. So I have already written this session start inside the nav.php. You need to use this one code inside here. Now the next thing we need to check, what I'm gonna open the particular post. We need to check the PID, means this is a get variable. We need to check this get variable is active, then come into the if body, right? So I'm gonna use if set $get p_id. This is a get variable. We need to check that if this session is active with the name of DB_user_role, then come into the if body, and then now you need to check again if the get variable, which get variable p_id, this one is active, then come into this one post. Inside this post I just use simple li close, and now I need to use a ref. So I'm going to use single quotation, right, and I'm going to use demi link, and now we need to close the demi link now, and I'm going to use edit post. First save that. I'm logged in my page, site, so I'm going to click on that, as you can see. So now I'm gonna localhost php my admin. We need to basically I'm gonna change a few things there, basically CMS and categories. I'm gonna change digital marketing. I'm gonna change that to web designing to designing, right? After that, I also change this one to development, right? I want to decrease the size of this one because I want to display this one post on here, and I'm going to change it to projects. After that, and one more thing we need to, I check this one code again, why I send this one. Okay, I also changed the last one, marketing, and said that. I don't know why he doesn't appear on here, but you can manage that. And I will check that why this is not appear. You'll close, and this is a category line, this is the admin line, and this. Okay, you can see here the edit post has been appeared. I also cut out this one, and now I'm gonna paste it. Save, and let's check it now this time. Perfect. So if the session means db underscore user underscore role is active, but I want to leave this one because this is not important on there. I use this one outside of there, right? And I'm going to use it because this is the admin. User will able to see this one if the user is logged in. So inside this one link we need to assign the particular page, post URL. So I'm gonna open my login page, admin panel, and go to view all post and click to edit. Inside this page you need to focus on above, right? As you can see, this is the admin folder. Inside admin folder have a basically, just a minute guys, just a minute. Admin page, our folder have a post.php page, and this is the get variable, and this is the page name, edit post, and this is get variable. So we need to assign this one URL, right? This one URL. So I need to use, so the first thing you need to write the folder name. The folder name is admin, and you need to write the backslash post.php. This is the page name. This is a basic file name. I'm going to show you. Go to admin folder, and inside admin folder I have a post.php page, right? So you need to call that. Then you need to call this one get variable, and also assign the edit post value. So I'm going to use question mark and the opt equal to edit post. Now the next thing, you need to assign the another get variable like PID, and you need to get the PID. I'm going to use post ID get. I'm going to use PID. This is my local variable, and we need to get the ID from get variable with the name of PID. I'm going to show you the PID. This one, this is a get variable. So you need to assign this one variable value with this one variable. So you need to copy that and just assign this one on this curly bracket, right? But I'm going to change that to single quotation, and this will be double quotation, right? And I manage the code to display the code inside our single line, right? So this is our URL admin folder post.php, and this is get variable. Assign the edit post value. Now you need to create another get variable with the help of end variable, and now this is also get variable, and assign the value of p variable, p underscore this one. So I think everything is perfect. So I'm gonna check that it's working or not. So I go to dashboard, view site, unexpected error 49 right there. I'm gonna use semicolon for that. So I'm gonna click on edit. As you can see, edit post. I'm gonna click on there. I'm able to perform the operation like edit the record. So I'm gonna change that to remove this one link, and I'm going to change to h3. I'm going to write dummy text. I'm going to generate the dummy text because I will use dummy text to display the post on my site. I'm going to copy this one, right? It's taking a time, I don't know how much. Okay, then this is okay. I'm gonna copy this one, paste there, copy this one, and now paste there. I also assign this one. This is my heading 1. I'm gonna change it to heading 2 bold, and now I'm gonna check right there, bold h3, right? And I'm gonna update that. Why I can't see the post has been updated. So let me check out it's working or not. No, it's not working there, but I need to check that why. I'm gonna unlink that and click update. Right, it's working. I'm gonna open that, right? But I use this one text, remove this one, paste there. Oh wow, I don't know why it's not working out there, but lorem text not working. Okay, I will write simple few lines. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one and paste up there. I'll leave this one heading and click update. No, I think it's Copy this one, paste on there, remove this one. Okay, I understand that. I need to just use simple text without this one. Paragraph. Not. I need to check out why. Okay, I think this video is long because I just tell you how you can perform this one operation. I'm going to show you another feature. I logged out and I can't see the basically admin, and also now the next one is the edit post link inside our navigation bar. I can't see them, right? But I logged in. I'm gonna use admin 1 2 3 4 5 6, hit enter, open site. As you can see, admin, and I'm gonna open the particular post. I'm able to perform this operation, edit a post, and why it's not working on here. Please solve the problem right now, right? So I write in some text and click to update. Okay, I'm gonna open another post. Just a minute. Why it doesn't work? I'm gonna copy this one and paste on there. Okay, it's also not working, but I'm gonna change few things. Drop, right, let's check it now. Dropped, perfect. I'm gonna change it to published, and I remove there, click to update, right. I open the post, right, perfect. But I copy this one text and I can go to this one post, paste there, edit post, no. We are learning PHP programming with CMS system. Edit post, it's working as you can see, but I will check out this one problem and I will teach you on later how you can solve this problem. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.